In math concepts, our today's topic is addition and subtraction of polynomials. So let's start. To start the topic, one must know what is a polynomial. We have a term 3x square. In this term, the number which is written on the left of x is coefficient called the variable x, and the number written on the top of this x is called exponent. Together they make one term. If more than one term is joined by the operators plus, minus, multiplication or division, then they form a polynomial. If we have to add two polynomials, then we need to search for the variables with same exponents. Like we have x square over here and we have x square in the second polynomial as well. So for the addition of polynomials, one must know that the variables with same powers can only be added. So here in these two polynomials, we can add this x square in this x square only. The x square term cannot be added in the term with x having one power, because it's a square term and it's a single power term. So the square term will only be added in square term, and the term with which has only power 1, it will be added in this term x, and this 3 can only be added with 1 because these both are constants. So let's start. So we just take 2x square with 5x square, 4x with 2x and 3 with 1. Now how to add them? The square term x square, they have different coefficients. One has 2 and the other square term has the coefficient 5. They will both be added. When they will be added, their coefficients basically will be added. There will be no difference in the exponents. So the answer will be 7x square. Only the coefficients will add and the x square will remain the same. Similarly, here x will remain the same, only the coefficients will be added. And constant will be added in constant, that will be 4. So adding these two polynomials, we will get 7x square plus 6x plus 4. Now we have two polynomials and they are to be subtracted. We have 3x square plus 7x plus 5, and the other polynomial is 2x square minus 3x plus 2, and we have to subtract the second polynomial from the first, and there is a minus sign in between them. Whenever you have a negative sign before the second polynomial, you must do this thing that you have to change the sign of the terms that are in this bracket, because the negative sign is going to be multiplied with each sign of all the terms in this bracket. This 2x square is positive. When it is multiplied with negative sign, it will become negative. This is a negative term already, minus 3x. When this minus sign is multiplied with this minus, it will become positive. If you have any confusion in sign multiplication, you can search out my video on math sign rules and you will get your concepts clear about sign multiplication. Now see the next one. This 2 is already positive. When this positive 2 is multiplied with this negative sign, it will become minus. Because different signs on multiplication gives a negative sign, and same sign on multiplication gives a positive sign. Now you just need to write the variables with same powers together and do the operation whatever written with them, either plus or minus. So this square term is written with this square term, and now they have become 3x square minus 2x. This x term is written with this x term. Now this is 7x plus 3x, and this constant is written with this constant. This is now plus 5 minus 2. So writing the final answer, 3x square minus 2x square. Again, when the polynomials are subtracted or added, their coefficients are only basically added or subtracted respectively. So here 3x square minus 2x square means 3 minus 2, and 3 minus 2 gives you 1. There's no need to write 1, so we will write only x square. Then 7x plus 3x means only add their coefficients, these two. 7 plus 3 will give you 10, so the answer will be 10x. And subtract these two constants, 5 minus 2, this will give you only 3. So the final answer will be x squared plus 10x plus 3. So what we have concluded is that in addition and subtraction of polynomials, only the coefficients of the terms of the variables having same exponents are added or subtracted according to the sign they have, and constants are added in constants. Any questions related to this topic, do ask me in the comment section. Until next video, goodbye.